Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Birthday Cake Oreos. So Oreos are a classic treat, and I haven't had them in quite some time, but I saw these here, and every time Oreo comes out with a new flavor I always get intrigued. I don't often buy them, but I think the Birthday Cake Oreos have been around for a while, but I like birthday cake flavored things. Not a huge fan of birthday cake itself, but flavored things are good. So at Oreo, we love cocoa. We use real cocoa in every chocolatey Oreo cookie we make. So, in 2 Oreos or 29 grams, there's 140 calories, 7 grams of fat, 21 carbohydrate with 0 fiber, 13 sugar, and 1 gram of protein. So, they're just pure sugar, basically, but that's kind of what you expect when you're buying a cookie. And they come with like this cool little resealable opening. I think that's real sweet. And then the Oreos itself, you can see look like birthday cake icing on them. If you gently open it up, there's birthday cake icing. Cool. So that's the Oreo there. I'm gonna get right into it. So it tastes kind of like a normal Oreo, but the cream, it tastes like birthday cake icing. It's unique. It tastes like an Oreo, but it also like birthday cake at the same time. It's a pretty cool combination. I like it. Chocolate sandwich cookies. So yeah, these have a nice chocolate flavor to them. Tastes like birthday cake as well. See that icing. And whenever you bite into it, it feels like a normal Oreo because there's icing in normal Oreos, but the icing in this one's a little bit sweeter and tastes more like an actual cake than just the regular icing that's in the normal Oreos. Normal Oreos are like cookies and cream, and this is like birthday cake. It's cool. In similar kind of fashion, protein powders come out with a cookies and cream flavor, which is supposed to be like Oreos, and then they have usually a birthday cake flavor as well. And this one tastes more like the birthday cake, so pretty cool. I'd give these Oreos a 7.5 out of 10. They taste pretty clearly like birthday cake, and the icing in the middle is, again, similar to a birthday cake, and it's got that cake flavor to it too, so it's pretty good. I like them. Birthday Cake Oreos. Go try them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.